Namaste, good morning, India. What is mindful eating? The greatest addiction of man is food. You can travel anywhere, you can go anywhere, you will find the first thing man is searching is food eating. And the addiction of food is so high that it has become the cause of large number of diseases, also is the cause of death, just as malnutrition is the cause of the death. Food addiction, eating excess food and eating wrong way of eating food is also a major cause of the death all over the world. What do you mean by mindful eating of food? I researched on it and discovered that the way you eat your food, how much food you eat is very important. How you eat food, very simple things I am talking. I am not talking of any complex things. For example, here I have a food. What I will do, this is my roti supposing, and this is my first bite. It is important when I put the first bite, it should be chewed very well. Why? Because there are salivary glands inside. The teeth breaks this food into smaller particles, and the tongue, there is a saliva. The saliva has got enzymes, salivary enzymes are there. What will they do? This is a complex food. Starch. These, as you start chewing them, you should chew at least 25 to 35 times. One bite of food, then you don't put anything else in the mouth. Keep on chewing it as much as possible. Once it becomes complete liquid, what has happened? The complex food starch is converted into simpler sugar molecules like maltose, which are more easy to be digested by your stomach. Because the food will go inside the stomach, it will get digested. There are metabolism, chemical reactions which are taking place, and then it goes into the blood, which will carry the food to all the cells of the body. Therefore, today I am only telling you one simple thing, that you must chew your food at least 25 to 35 times before you put another in it, and so that 15% of the digestion of the food will take place inside your mouth, inside this mouth. So the digestion process will be very easy. It goes inside your body, and it has very good reasons. Because if you will chew your food more, you will eat less. And when you eat less and you get more energy, what happens? This will help in your weight management, and this will also reduce the quantity of the food which you are eating. Food produces energy, that you know, but you do not know that digestion of food needs energy. When you want to digest food, energy will be required for breaking those molecules which are complex into simpler molecules. So digestion of food requires energy. More you eat, more energy is required, more work has to be done to digest the food. So imagine if you eat less and more energy is produced. That is better and more efficient process for our food. It will mean mindful eating, and this will reduce the addiction of food. A lot of people after eating meals need sweets. They want sweet things. So more sweet things when you eat, they need more energy to be digested. And more work will have to be done by the body system. The cellular, you are made up of trillions of cells, so they have to do more work. There are organs, digestive system which is working. So one thing is very simple, that chewing is very essential. chew your food so well that it becomes liquid. Then 15% of the digestion process is done, and most of the digestion is done, and you will see that you will eat less food by this process, and you will get more results, more energy by eating the food slowly. Do not use televisions or electronic devices while you are eating. Eat simply. This is an example of mindful eating. And after that, after you have completed, then what you should do: hot water, little bit of salt, saline water, gargle is good because any food particles which are sticking inside your mouth, they will be cleared, so the formation of bacteria or any other small microorganisms which can harm you, your teeth or your body or mouth, they will not be there. And after that, for 5 minutes, sit in Vajrasana. If you sit in Vajrasana, the digestion of food is very good and efficient. And those people who have carving for sweets, they may take little bit of saunf and dhania powder mixed, and you may chew them slowly so that it can make the digestion process easier and simpler. Why did I talk of mindful eating? Because I want to tell you that large number of people are dying because of food addiction. Large number of people are suffering from chronic diseases, including heart, diabetes, and many other diseases, even cancer, because of the overeating problem. So excess feeding of food, or at the same time, malnutrition, also a lot of people die. But overeating is another side of the malnutrition, that you are eating more, and for that digestion you need more power, more energy, and your body system has to do more work. Therefore, we can try simple small things and improve our health, as well as and improve our weight management, as well as we can eat less and produce more energy. So this will not only save the food, also this saving of the food helps millions of people who don't have food. नमस्ते, मैं फिर मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, और मैं रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ, मेरी रिसर्च लाइफ पे चल रही है, स्टडी कर रहा हूँ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल के ऊपर, हेल्दी लिविंग के ऊपर। तो मैं आपको छोटी छोटी टिप्स और छोटे छोटे वीडियोस, जो मैं नॉलेज गेन करूँगा, आपको बताता रहूँगा आने वाले वीडियोस में। नमस्ते एंड माय बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल ऑफ यू।